Today we're going to be making chicken Kelaguen. I love to use this as a snack. It's meant to be eaten cold so you can keep it in the fridge, pull it out whenever you need it, and have a high protein snack in an instant. Kelaguen is a dish from the Mariana Islands, which are a string of islands in the Pacific Ocean. You may have heard of the island Guam. I am showing you here the island of Saipan, which is where my family is from. To get started, we're going to take a 3 to 5 pound broiler chicken, cover it in oil, and then season liberally with salt and pepper. Make sure you get all the cracks and crevices, and you can even salt the inside of the bird. Once you get that chicken all seasoned up, we're going to transfer it over to a sheet pan or a roasting pan and place it breast side down. We're going to roast it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. Now, ovens can vary pretty widely in temperature, so once we get close to that hour mark, we want to start washing it a little closer. You may find that around 45 minutes, the skin of your chicken is starting to brown up a little bit. You can pull it out at that time and stick a temperature probe into the breast. We're looking for 165 degrees Fahrenheit at the deepest point of that breast. Once the chicken has rested and is cooled enough to handle, we can begin the butchering process. Cut away the legs, thighs, breasts, and wings, and then pick away any of the remaining meat. If you really wanted to get your money's worth out of this chicken, you could take that leftover carcass and make a nice, nutritious bone broth out of it. After the chicken has been butchered, cut all of the meat into a small dice. I weighed all of the chicken that I cut and found that I had 750 grams, so for the purposes of nutritional estimates, 750 grams of the roasted chicken is what I'm going with. Once your chicken has been diced, it's time to prepare the rest of your ingredients. Take 3 or 4 lemons and get the juice from them, removing any seeds. If you're feeling lazy and you want to use the stuff in the bottle, that's fine, you can get by with it, but fresh is going to be better. Take a medium onion and cut it into a small dice. The finer you can get these pieces, the better. Lastly, we're going to chop up some green onions. We just need about 4 or 5 onions worth of the greens cut into small pieces. To assemble, add everything to a large dish and stir it around to incorporate the chicken, diced onions, lemon juice, hot sauce, salt, and green onions. Traditionally, Tabasco sauce would be used as the hot sauce. I unfortunately didn't have any at home, so I had to use sriracha. Kelaguen is one of those dishes that everybody has their own way of making it. You can add your own flair to it. My grandmother uses powdered lemon instead of lemon juice and adds coconut to hers. My mom makes it the way you're seeing in this video, so that's how I grew up eating it, and that's why I make it this way. As you are mixing, make sure you taste frequently. Add more lemon juice, more salt, more hot sauce, whatever you need to add to make it fit your own preferences. Chicken Kelaguen is a dish that's meant to be eaten cold, so keep it in the fridge and pull it out whenever you need a quick snack. If you wanted to eat this as more of a meal, you could add a side of rice to it. For the purposes of nutritional estimates, I used 750 grams of the whole roasted chicken, so the calculations use that number in mind. If you split it into 10 even servings, you have about 161 calories per serving.